Hello everyone, great to see you all again. Let's begin our today's class. Our topic for today is verbs. We will understand the main verbs and the auxiliary verbs. Main verbs. Main verbs indicates an action, event, state or possession. Example, it was the day of the marathon. We ran for a cause. We have miles to our credits. We are tired now. Now these are some of the examples where we used the main verbs. Primary auxiliary verbs. Sometimes the main verbs use other helping verbs to show tense. These verbs are called auxiliary verbs. It is also known as helping verbs. They appear before the main verb in a sentence. They can also be used independently as the main verbs. We have three primary auxiliary verbs and they are be, have and do. And their forms are be verb is, am, is, are, was, were, being and been. Have verb have, has and had. Do verb do, does, did, done and doing. Let us understand some examples. We are friends since childhood. Now in this, are is used as a main verb. Next example, they are driving to the countryside. In this sentence, are is used as an auxiliary verb or helping verb with the main verb driving. An auxiliary verb is always written before the main verb. Next example, I did the washing today. Now did is used here as a main verb. Second example, do not run across the road. Now here do is used as an auxiliary verb or it is also called helping verb with the main verb run. So this way auxiliary verbs can also be used as main verbs and it is also used as helping verbs. Interrogatives with the primary auxiliaries. Interrogative means when you are asking a question. So how a statement can be changed into interrogative? By beginning with the auxiliary verb as first auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb 1. Let's see example. The grass has been moved. Here the helping verb or auxiliary verb is has. Now we will place that auxiliary verb first. So has the grass been moved? Question mark. Second example, she wants to become a pilot. In this, the verb is wants, which is in the present tense. So we use the auxiliary verb does. Does she want to become a pilot? Now in this, one thing you need to keep in mind that this sentence, she wants to become a pilot, is in the simple present tense and we have added s with the verb. But when you are writing it in interrogative sentence, we will not add s to the verb as it is an interrogative sentence. And don't forget to put a question mark after the sentence. The auxiliary do is used for framing questions when have and do are main verbs, but not when the be is the main verb. Example, she has a lot of patience. Now in this example, has is a have verb. In have verb we have three, has, have and had. So whenever you have has in as a verb in a sentence, you can use the present tense of do. So do or does. Here we have the subject she and she is singular. So we will use does. So does she have a lot of patience? Question mark. Are you well? This is another interrogative sentence. For the sentence you are well. So we have changed, we have used the auxiliary verb first as we already have the auxiliary verb in a sentence. So that can be used first and then rest subject and then the rest of the sentence and question mark. Thank you.